but people are wasting their money on other things, so they can start.
It's expensive. How much did you pay?
$15.
For what?
For the cotton candy and the apple.
Look, $15 for cotton candy and an apple. But it was good. He's gonna wear the hat every day. He's got a big Nemo hat. Look like a fish.
That's why I went to school, so I can spend it on crap and not worry about it.
Oh, life is good.
Saw the whole thing, dude. First you were all like, whoa, and then we were like, whoa, and then you were like, whoa.
Hey, Dad, did you see that? Did you see me? Did you see what I did?
You so totally rock, Squirt. So give me some fin. Noggin.
Hello.
His son Bingo, Nemo, was taken to Sydney. Yes, and it's really important that we get there as fast as we can. So can you help us out? Come on, little fella. Come on.
Dory, I'm a little fella. I don't think that's a little fella.
Oh, big fella. Big whale. Okay. Maybe he only speaks whale.
Dory, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you sure you speak whale? Dory, heaven knows what you're saying.
Maybe a different dialect.
Dory, this is not whale. You're speaking like upset stomach.
Maybe I should try humpback.
No, don't try humpback. Whoa! All right. Whoa! It actually sounds sick.
Maybe a little.
It's just as well he might be hungry.
Don't worry, whales don't eat clownfish, they eat krill.
Move, Dory!
What's wrong?
We're in a whale, don't you get it?
A whale?
A whale, because you went to ask for help, and now we're stuck here.
Wow, a whale. You know I speak whale.
No, you're insane. You can't speak whale.
Everything's gonna be all right.
How do you know? How do you know something bad isn't gonna happen?
I don't. And I look at you and I'm home. I don't want that to go away. I don't want to forget.
I'm sorry, Dory, but I do.
Thanks.
I almost cried.
Good night, Nemo. Good night, Mickey. Good night, Minnie.
That was awesome.